Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in today's newspaper of Saturday, March the 12th, 2022. In this additional, I have 6 extra puzzles. Three of those puzzles I will do today. Those are the 3 stars puzzle, 3 star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, and binary. Yes. It's time for the binary. This will be number 4250. Yes. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Let me see. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in the last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Okay. Let me think. Am I stuck? Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then between 2 O's comes an 1. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And now we need to compare, I think. Yeah. Do I need to compare the rows or the columns? Let me see. 100. No. 010. Here. Yeah, this column and that column. 0011 0011 0011 empty box. We need to switch these 2 boxes. Sorry, digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be no. Double one here, no, there no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 4 minutes. Great binary. You need to compare only once, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.